All right, so thanks for watching this update on the SPY. Today is Tuesday, May 6th. Um, what I'm showing here is the 10-minute chart for the SPY, like I said. When I say 10-minute chart, all that means is every one of these candles here represents 10 minutes of the trading day. Green candle means it went up. Red candle here means it had a move down. So we're keeping it that simple. Um, so in last night's video, you guys can go back and take a look at that. I'd mentioned this yellow line here, this downtrend line. I said watch for that line as support. This morning on the SPY, we had a gap down, had a move down here, red bar, uh, and then it bounced. It didn't quite hit this level, but it almost hit that level. But that, it went up and then down, went up again. Here's where it got really, really interesting here. Right there. And here's what we're looking at. It hit that level right to the penny. The low here was 187.43. It made a nice bounce up to 187.87. So a 40-cent bounce here. What I liked about here is the type of pattern it made. Um, this could have been predicted, this down move here, and I'm going to show you why and how. There's two reasons why I liked this here. I sent a tweet out this morning about that. Um, it made an inside bar bearish pattern. What I mean by that is you take this big bar here, this big 10-minute candle. It's a red candle, so that means the stock just had a strong just fall here. Just for 10 minutes, this thing just moved down. That's all. So when I say it made a bearish pattern inside bar, inside the candle, this is the top of the candle, this is the bottom of the candle. Look at what kind of pattern we made here. When you see this, that's a bearish pattern. It's about a 45-degree angle here. So number one, we bounced off that level. We knew we were going to go up. We went up in a bearish pattern, trading inside the red bar. Here's your this horizontal line is the top of the bar. So as long as you're inside the bar, which we are right here, that's still a bearish pattern. A lot of people might think of this as they'll get bullish here, and you can get bullish here. As you can see, it had a nice move up, but you need to know when to get out. As you can see, every one of these candles is inside these two yellow lines here. So for about an hour, we just went and stayed in this range here. So on this candle, we closed below this line. That's your signal here that this thing wants to come back down. So you've got this level here that we bounced off of. You got an inside bar, bearish pattern. It loses this uptrend line here, makes a small bounce, nothing special here. And look at this, just a nice collapse. A nice collapse to the downside here all day. Once we broke this level, you know, we hit it here once. Think of this as a glass floor for now, for the sake of just this quick little lesson here. This would be your glass floor. You hit it here, it cracked. This floor is cracked now. You bounce up, You make a bearish pattern inside this wide range bar, loses that, falls. Now this floor that I mentioned was, we'll say it's a glass floor. It's cracked. So now we broke through that level on this. Look at this, 10, 20, 30. For about 40 to 50 minutes, we just went down. Red candle, red candle, red candle, red candle, red candle. Small bounce, green candle, and then nothing but red here. I mean, you've got a few green candles, but stocks bounce. It's just the way it works. I like the strong volume at the end of the day. Nice move down. But like I said, two reasons I like this trade. It made a bearish pattern inside the bar, bounced off of this level, bearish pattern. We broke this level here, and a nice move to the downside. That's it. You could have picked up a few puts here, shorted the stock, however you trade, and a nice move to the downside. So very nice move there. Tomorrow, your upside. Now that this level is broken, as I said in previous videos, support becomes resistance. So now we broke support here. Watch this line again for resistance here. If for some reason we gap up, watch for this level here for next term resistance, and then you would be looking at this level here. So that's if we move up tomorrow. I've been bearish on this. I've been saying I favor the downside on this. So what I'm looking for tomorrow is, if you guys remember this line I had drawn in here, that's where the moving averages were sitting at. I'd like to see a move below here, and I'm going to switch over to the daily chart now. Daily chart, all that means is now each one of these candles represents the entire day for trading. Green candle, we had a nice move up. Red candle, that day the stock went down. So overall today, nice red candle here. Here's your downtrending line that we were looking at earlier. So as you can see, we lost that level here. I'm looking for a break of this level here. I'd really like to see a nice flush tomorrow. If it decides to move up, watch this for this level here as resistance. But I'd like to see a move down tomorrow, and I'd like to see a nice flush through this level here also. So I'll keep that video. I'll try to keep this short. That's all I had for the SPY. We'll see how it trades tomorrow. I favor the downside, but doesn't mean it can't close green tomorrow. But watch these levels here. So that's all I had for the SPY today. Thanks for watching.